we were unable to get the Prime Minister to give the check to the Honorable Prime Minister for the T.C. Winston drive that he was driving the appeal from the fund. So the Fukuoka Prefectural Assembly gave 300,000 Japanese yen. So we converted it, and here this morning a check of 5,214 for the Honorable Prime Minister's appeal, Cyclone Winston appeal. Sorry for the late submission, and it took so long.
As long as the money arrives, eh?
5,214.
Okay.
From the Fukuoka Prefectural Assembly.
Thank you.
Which look after OISCA in the Ministry of Youth.
Prime Minister's natural disaster. Oh, that's what they've written to me. On behalf of the government of Fiji, I'd like to thank you, Minister, for accepting this check on behalf for the Prime Minister and for the Fukuoka Prefectural Assembly. And we thank them for their kind thoughts and thinking. It's taken some time for the money actually to be converted into Fiji dollars, but this money will be accepted and it will go into the fund, and there will be, it's the fund that we had for the natural disaster that affected our people. There's always a lot of things that are still to be done for the people that were affected by Cyclone Winston, and I'm sure that it will be used to good stead in that particular fund. And it's perhaps befitting also that we are meeting today for me to accept this check, because today is also the day that Fiji assumes the presidency of COP23. And we know that the element of climate change and the change in the climate is something that has led to these more severe cyclones that we are facing the world over. And we know now that things like Cyclone Winston, which used to be something that was very rare, have now become something that we expect almost every year as Category 5 cyclone. So today, in the day that Fiji assumes COP23 presidency in Bonn, I'm very glad to be able to accept this. And while we would all love to see these cyclones go away and come back, but that depends on the climate changing and the carbon emissions dropping over times. But nevertheless, these funds will be used to good stead. And we hope that you'll pass on our appreciation to the Fukuoka Prefecture of the Assembly, the people that sent the money. We thank them for their kind thoughts. We know that they're doing some good work here in Fiji, in planting mangroves, which protects our shorelines, which also mitigates against the impact of the tidal surges and all of these things that happen when we have these cyclones. So once again, thank you for taking also the initiative to convert it into Fijian currency. And we know that it will be put to good use. So once again, Pena Walim.